This is going to be a retake of the elevators at the Hilton Garden Inn, Edinburgh, Indiana. Let's go to the 5. Oh man, these things don't look too great. Well, here we are at the blank floor. No, this is 5. Broken lantern. And a replaced button. A lot of the brails are missing, that's not good. The cabs though, they're very nice. I love the cabs in these things. And since my 2016 take, these things don't seem to be that great. It's got a 3,000 pound capacity, certificate, and KSS 370/500 fixtures. See if we can get the other elevator actually. Oops, never mind. I'll send that one up. Oh, this one is much better. Finally, no button replacements in this one. Except a couple missing brails. Huh. Yeah, that. I mean, for being a KSS 370, honestly, I'd say this is one of the nicer ones I've ridden. They seem to be in good condition, at least. At least this particular one. Doesn't have any replaced buttons, that's good. But since my 2016 take, these things still seem to be holding up well. Here we are down at 1. And there it goes. That'll be it.